Hello students, let's try to understand discovery of proton and study of anode rays student. So first of all you can see production of anode rays, that is our positive rays student, how they are getting produced. Okay. The reason here, since the atom as a whole is electrically neutral and the presence of negatively charged particle in it was established, therefore it was thought that some positive charge particle must also be present in the atom. For this purpose, Goldstein in 1886 performed a charge tube experiment in which he took the perforated cathode and gas low pressure was kept inside the tube. As therefore, what is happening on passing the high voltage between the electrode, it was found that some rays were coming from the side of the anode which passed through the hole in the cathode and produced green fluorescence on the opposite glass wall coated with the zinc sulfide. So on passing high voltage between the electrode, it was found that some rays were coming from the side of the anode which was passed through the hole in the cathode and produced green fluorescence on the opposite glass wall coated with the zinc sulfide. These rays were called anode rays or canal rays because they pass through the canals. Hole in the cathode or positive rays because they were found to carry positive charge. Origin of cathode rays. These rays are believed to be produced as a result of the knockout of the electrons from the gaseous atom by the bombardment of the high speed electron of the cathode rays. So, how they are being produced? These rays were believed to be produced as a result of knockout of the electron from the gaseous atom of the bombardment of hydrogen high speed electron on the cathode rays. Thus, anode rays are not emitted from the anode but are produced in a space between the anode and cathode. Thus, anode rays are not emitted from the anode. So, they are not going to emit from the anode but are produced in the space between the anode and cathode. Now, properties of anode rays. Using some experimental method to describe the earlier for the cathode rays, the anode rays were found to possess the following main properties. What? They travel in a straight line, however, their speed is much less than the cathode rays. They are made up of material particle. They are positively charged as indicated by the direction of deflection of these rays in an electric and magnetic field. That is why these rays are called positive rays. No electric current flow in the vacuum. That point you need to keep in mind. So this is all about the anode rays student. Thank you very much for watching.